శ్రీ గురుభ్యో నమః. నమస్కారం. మాస్టర్ ఈకే జ్ఞానానందమయం దేవం నిర్మల స్ఫటికాకృతిం ఆధారం సర్వ విద్యానాం హయగ్రీవం ఉపాస్మహే. ఆధ్యాత్మిక భావ ప్రకాశకులకు నా సమస్మాన్యులు. టుడే my lecture is in English. The World Asthma Day, for that is to be celebrated every year on first Tuesday of May. Henceforth, after Ayushman Bharat Divas on 30th April 20, we are celebrating the day for the asthma patients, not only in India but also all over the world. But what is asthma? Everybody knows this is a pulmonary disease. So disease through lungs. So what the definition tells is, primarily asthma is a condition in which the person airways become inflamed, narrow and swell and produce mucus which makes it difficult to breathe. So ultimately it will make the person to taking the breath very difficult. So why the situation has comes? Mostly this is triggered at night, everybody. But what are the conditions, what are the other symptoms which are prevalent in the asthma? When it is chronic, a dry with phlegm, respiration is difficult, and wheezing, breathing through mouth, which may lead to anxiety. So anxiety is one of the bad reason for the patient's comfort will be lessens during this period, because it is the oxygen is unable to receive by the lungs due to the mucus or the pollutants which are present in it. So it is obstructs the breathing some extent. So increased heart rate ultimately. So there is a relation between the breathing cycles and the heart rate. So when the breathing cycles are reduced, then what will happen is the heart rate has to increase to keep the person intact. So ultimately the heart will have, automatically what will happen is the heart will comes into the fatigue condition. So in this regard, the body cannot supply the enough glucose to the heart and also the functions of the mind. So this pulsating heart and breathing cycles are mostly involuntary, no involuntary mechanism. But there are several other types of less number of breath cycles and heart rate and fatigue. These conditions are led to the symptoms very crucial in the asthma patient. So basing on all these things, we have to, the World Health Organization has given the present statistics of the asthma in the world. So this is the disease after the diabetics and cardiovascular diseases. The third category has fallen into the group of asthma. The number of people. So in India, there are every year 1 crore of people subject to the asthma. Apart from that, this will be, as per the World Health Organization statistics, this may be affect, all age groups are affected. Very common disease in India. Mostly the disease from 6th year onwards, the children 6 to 13, and very common after later that, and mostly the middle age. So what are the conditions provided for this? We have to assess slowly. And how it happens? Nothing but the pollution. There is no other go for the human beings to have the pollution. How long a breath can survive with the polluted air? It has been clearly evident that during the corona time, the entire air is free from the pollution. What is the difference between this and that? So all the government has to think about what are the precautions or what are the steps to be taken for the common man's health. But whether they will take it or not, it is clearly evident. The circumstances. So common factors of all diseases, nothing but the industrialization, pollution, and etc., dust particles, etc. So how come we can prevent the pollution by corona during this period of 40 days or so? But who will reduces the mild pollution of the human beings, especially the politicians? Lead to over this. Apart from that, obesity is the individual human beings mistake. So why the obesity will come to this? Because lack of work and also lack of exercise, and the third one is the body is unable to flush the unwanted matters from the body. These three reasons make the human being is obesity. So shall we, apart from this, another one more reason is gastroesophageal reflux disease called stomach bag, usually by the medical community. But this will not be explained properly to the patients of asthma or the general by the medical community. They only think about the suppressing this GERO by supplying the antacids mechanism. So it is not true too, because this suppression, when it is chronic, definitely the anxiety will prevail, because both are the parallel way of energy is flowing in this human body. But who will think about this? So finally, the reasons for the asthma is alcoholism and tobacco products. So transforming these two products healthier to the unhealthy conditions, it is very bad concept. Responsibility, who is stand for this responsibility to survive the human beings from the asthma, the conditions, not to subject to the asthma. But alcoholism cannot be avoided because governments are encouraging, and at the same time the governments are insisted during the corona also having a good immunity power to having a better eating habits. How can it is possible if the human livers are soaked into the alcohol on one side and the mouth is ingested with the fruits or something extra to boost the immunity power? Is it possible? Who will think about that? So the days are gone, but only the human being has to awaken for this condition. Until that, all the governments are flown towards the revenue purpose. They will encourage the alcoholism to survive their governments. The politicians are the root cause for all diseases in this regard. But they have to think themselves how to give a good health for the human beings. Some intelligent people or the intellectual community will tell by giving the health education. What health education will make the healthcare team to be educated properly? If unless and until the healthcare team is educated themselves, how they will give the proper education to the public? This is a big question mark throughout the world, not only in India. So India also no exception for this. But in this all this public, recently we have seen this. When the corona has been, after a 40 to 50 days lockdown has been temporarily and partially lifted, many governments are open the liquor shops. The public has flown like anything without controlling them. So it means it is clearly understood the phase of the rulers and mind of the public. So this never be correlated. Once they have been stopped, they have been stopped. Once they open the gates, they are flown. Like virus, like bacteria. The human being has become like a simple tiny organisms. He is flowing toward the liquor shops. So which education will educate them? Before that, rulers has to be educated. Who will educate the rulers? This is a big question mark for the public. How to get on the game, a tussle, and it is right way to turn down the alcoholism. The man should have a consciousness, and rulers have a common sense. Then only the man's consciousness to be awakened, and rulers' common sense is to be both come together and produce the effective health in the public health. So it will be a medical community always will give the assurance by opening the alcohol. So the virus, some people told the virus cannot survive in the alcoholic bodies. No. So once they have got the resistance, virus are specially having a special organisms which can survive and adapt to any kind of environment. They are not bacteria to kill themselves in some opponent conditions. Viruses are very clever. This we are not thinking about this fact. What will happen? Human health will be ruined through the alcoholism. After some time, they will be more resistant. The corona, definitely we have to face a big calamity. So, dear citizens and netizens, try to understand the government's policies and present situation, and alcoholic, not only the alcoholic, but also diabetics, coronary vascular diseases, and etc. and other virus diseases are prevalent in the human environment. But if we are not control the alcoholism, this corona may be controlled. After some time, definitely alcohol may come. So that virus can be controlled. So World Health Organization has to awaken and tell the fact and to give a better warning or betterly guided to the all countries about this. But India is a kind of different country and difficult to manage the things in India is very, very difficult. So in front line, ourselves we have to realize ourselves. No health until we built alcohol-free India. If possible or not, public has to pay the penalty. मैं हाथ जोड़कर प्रार्थना करता हूँ हमारा प्रधानमंत्री जी को, तुम्हारा मन में आयुष्मान भारती को निर्माणता संकल्प होने तो पहले शराब से भारत को विमुक्ति कीजिए, ऐसा नहीं तो It's a waste to celebrate these kind of days for diseases in India. And recently, whole teaching community has controlled the public war to be a drinkers, encouraged by the governments. The teachers were controlled. It is an ashamed issue for the great patriot, philosopher, teacher, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. The whole teaching community has bow their heads down to be a teacher. This is a pathetic. This is a pathetic. This is a pathetic. Survive the teachers, because teachers are the elevators of the country's education, country's consciousness, country's patriotism. Dhanyavad.